Hi, I am Saurabh Agarwal, proprietor of Dayach and Company, and we have launching new bulldozers in India with all the new technologies and the equipments. This is one of the bulldozers SG810. This is the highest capacity of 35 ton 345 HP machine which we have launched in India, and we have a long history of bulldozers. We are working with the hiring of bulldozers, we are working with the spare parts of bulldozers, we have everything in house. We are the third generation in bulldozers industry only. So with HBXG we are launching this bulldozers, and our manufacturer is also specialized in only in bulldozers. They have all type of bulldozers from 10 ton capacity to 45 tons capacity. This elevated sprocket, we are the second player in India after Caterpillar that we are launching the elevated sprocket in bulldozers. This elevated sprocket helps a machine to work faster, give more torque, and also the long life of the chains and undercarriage. It also gives the more ground clearance and more blade capacity to push the machine. So this is very important for the machine, and it also supports for the operator to get the 360 view degree, and since his height has been increased. This is the transmission system of this machine. It can be removed easily within 6 to 7 hours, and it is very easy to maintain the machine. Since in any other machine the transmission removal is very tedious job. It took around 7 to 8 days to remove the transmission after removing all the cabins and everything, whereas in our machine it is hardly a 6 to 7 hours job. Just open these bolts and the transmission gets out. You can easily check the pressure over here, the valves are over here, so it is very easy to maintain the machine and to look for the machine in long run. This machine is equipped with the suspended rollers over here. You can see all the 8 rollers over here are the suspended rollers. It gives a long life of the rollers, and also if any stone or something comes, it support to get all the rollers working every time, and also give a better operator's ability. And moreover, all the undercarriage of the ITM Italy you can see over here, and it's a very good life over here. This cabin is a 360 view degree, as you can see, and also an ROPS system. This cabin is equipped with AC. The operator seats are very comfortable. They are weight adjustable. They are the electronic meters, complete joystick machine you can see over there, and everything is very good and very good quality made.